Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How we all are?
We are great, sir.
Okay, so all of you want to flourish your personality?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So if you want to flourish your personality, first thing that is very much mandatory, I can say, that is your introduction. Okay? So wherever you will go, first thing is you should know how to introduce yourself. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So the very first thing which is most important in your life regarding your introduction is your name. Most important thing. Okay? So whenever you are telling your name, you must know its meaning. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
For example, what is your name?
Sir, my name is Lakshya Megwal.
Lakshay means aim. So you can say, good morning sir, I am Lakshya Raj. My name matches my personality as I am an aim oriented personality. As I am an aim oriented person, you can state anything. Okay? So what is your good name?
So my good name is Remil Hasan.
Remil. Remil means rain.
Yes, sir.
And rain is a symbol of what? Prosperity. Right? So you can say, sir, I always help others. I am a philanthropist person.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is your good name?
Shirani.
Shirani means what?
Unique.
Unique. So you can say, sir, I am a unique personality. My name matches my personality as I am unique and helpful. I am kind-hearted and always enlighten others with my positive thoughts. Right? So whenever you will tell about yourself, you will always start up with the meaning of your name. For example, myself. I'll say, good morning, friends. I am Manoj Sharma. My name matches my personality because my name means winner of heart. So I'll say, my name matches my personality as I am a philanthropist and always win others' heart. Or I can say, I'm helpful, I'm kind-hearted person. Or I can say, I always enlighten others with my positive thoughts. Right? So whenever you speak in English, whenever you talk with another person, the very first thing is your name, which is most important. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And this thing is very important because whenever you will go anywhere in the world, people will ask you, who are you? Right? They'll ask you, what's your good name? Or ready? So at that moment, you should tell about your name as well as the meaning of your name. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Most of the people are telling about their family in their introduction. I don't suggest. I always tell them that instead of telling about the family, you must tell about yourself. You must tell about your qualifications, about your achievements of life, right? About your hobbies, about your aim of life, about your strengths, or anything. But you should not tell about your family because this is the easiest question of the world. So don't let it go very easily. Let them ask. If somebody would ask you about your family, you can. But otherwise, you should tell about yourself always. Okay? So what are the achievements of people? Means what are your achievements? For example, what are your achievements?
So I won bronze medal in race in.
What is your achievement? Bronze medal. What is your achievement?
Sir, I came first in second class and I came first in race in
Very
third
good.
class.
What is your achievement?
Sir, I got third prize.
Now when we tell about our achievements, even then before that we can tell what we have done. For example, you are in which class?
9.
So you can say I am pursuing 9th standard. Okay.
Yes.
If you have done something, for example, if you are graduate, you will say, sir, I have done my graduation, right? Both these words are okay. So the very first thing is your name, then comes your education, and then comes your achievements. Okay. So you should tell your achievements. Is it okay? All your achievements, after your achievements, like for example, if you scored something well, what is your achievement of life?
Sir, I came first in 5th standard.
5th standard. Very good, yeah. What is your achievement?
Sir, I came first in 3rd standard.
Very nice. What is your achievement?
I have gold medal.
Gold medal. In which? Where? Which part?
Olympiad.
Olympiad. Very good. What is your achievement?
I have golden medal.
Gold medal. Where?
First prize on general knowledge.
Very nice. First prize in general knowledge. That's amazing. So you should tell your achievements. After this, you can tell about your hobbies. Okay. Now hobbies depends. For example, if you are very professional, suppose madam, she is a teacher. She'll say my hobbies are teaching, reading. This looks good, right? But if you are going for a marketing job, then you can say, sir, I love exploring new places, meeting new people. I like making new friends, right? So it depends. You should be little diplomatic in telling your hobbies. Otherwise, whatever hobbies you are having. Like example, what is your hobby?
Sure, sir. My hobbies are playing Kho-Kho and Kabaddi.
Very good. Then they would ask you, how many players are there in Kabaddi?
Sure, sir. There are 9 players.
And how many players are in Kho-Kho?
Sure, sir. There are 11 players.
So like this, they would ask you questions based on that. Is it okay? And after your hobbies, you can tell your aim of life. What is your aim? क्या बनना चाहते हो आप? What do you want to become?
I want to become an army officer.
Very good. Army officer. What is your aim of life?
I want to become an astronaut.
What is
I
your?
want to become a doctor.
What is your aim of life?
Sir, I want to become an Air Force officer.
What is your aim of life?
I want to become an Air Force officer.
What is your aim?
I want to become an army officer.
Very nice. So these are your aim of life. For example, madam's aim, she want to become a successful pedagogue. Pedagogue बोला जाता है teacher को. Is it okay? So she would say, I want to become a successful pedagogue. Is it okay? After this, you will tell about your strengths, strong points. These are your strengths. Strengths can be confident, punctual, honest, creative, determined, dedicated, hardworking, optimistic, positive attitude, anything. कुछ भी हो सकती है. But that should resemble in you. आपके अंदर होनी भी चाहिए. For example, what is your strength?
Sir, hard work.
Hardworking. What is your strength?
Creative.
Creative. What is your strength?
I have positive attitude.
So you can say, sir, as far as my strengths are concerned, I am self-confident, punctual, honest, creative. But it should be really what you have. Instead of that, you shouldn't tell your strengths, okay? First, you should see that what strengths I inculcate. Then only you should say. Is it okay? Never tell your weakness in your introduction. If they ask, you should tell. If they don't ask, no need to tell. Now the question arises that what should be your weakness, right? So in weakness also you should be very diplomatic. Like suppose you will say, sir, I get angry little early. Is it good? No, it's not good to tell others that I am short-tempered person. It is not good. Is it okay? So what should be the weakness? If you say, sir, I don't have patience, it looks bad. Sir, मेरे अंदर patience नहीं है. It looks bad, right? So you should see that what weakness should I say that it looks justified. You should be very diplomatic in that case also. If you directly say, sir, I am a short-tempered person, will they recruit you? No, not at all, right? What is your aim of life? क्या बनना चाहते हो आप?
I want to become an army officer.
What is your aim of life?
Sir, I want to become an army officer.
Army officer. Very. What is your aim of life?
So I want to become an Air Force officer.
Air Force officer. Very good. Air Force chief कौन है?
Sir, Air Chief Marshal Amarpreet Singh.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. So you should say, sir, my weakness is. Now weakness depends. What weakness we tell. So weakness can be like if I give you an example for kids, you can say, sir, I am little foodie.
Yes, sir.
मुझे खाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है सर. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Right? You can say. Or even you can say, sir, I am little talkative. You can say. Or even you can say, sir, I need to improve my handwriting. सर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे अपनी handwriting थोड़ी improve करनी चाहिए. Right? You can say. So such weaknesses if you say, then it is justified. But for seniors, what they should tell? Seniors के लिए एक weakness क्या होनी चाहिए? That is very impressive. Okay, बहुत interesting भी होनी चाहिए. तो what should be their weakness? क्या बताए वो? They can say, sir, I want perfection in my life. And for this, sometimes my personal work hampers. Sir, I want perfection in life. And because of this, my personal work hampers. अब वो बोलेंगे कैसे? तो they can say, sir, during my exams, I skipped my lunch and got scolding from my mother many times. Sir, बहुत बार exams के दौरान मैंने lunch skip किया और अपनी mother से बहुत डांट खाई. So they will say, okay, your weakness is okay, we justify it. Is it okay? Instead of saying I'm a short-tempered person, this looks more better. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So in this manner, you should tell about your introduction. क्या इस introduction के अंदर हमने अपनी family के बारे में बताया? No, sir. Nowhere, right? अब आप पूछेंगे सर आपने family के बारे में क्यों नहीं बताया? There is a reason behind that. Reason is this. Family question is the easiest question of the world. You know about your father? आपको पता है आपके father क्या करते हैं? What is your father?
Sir, my father is a constable in police.
Very good. What is your father?
Sure, sir. My father is an army person.
Very good. So you people know what is your father, what is your mother, what is your sibling, right? So instead of telling them in introduction, they will feel that this looks boring. But if you tell about yourself, they will take more interest. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So I hope you like this introduction.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for enjoying. Okay? Best wishes to you.
Thank you, sir.